$129 for it to even have this detailing. It's pretty cool. This thing looks really good. Even with the red, looks really good. You know, again, like I said, I wanted the blue, but the red does look good. It's got the full fans in the rear. It's got the full extinguishers in the rear. Hey, what's going on? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC, hitting you guys with another video today. So we're gonna do another unboxing with your guy Rock. Another unboxing. So we're gonna do an Arrma unboxing. We were in the hobby store the other day and we actually came across this. They actually had it on sale. I went in there to go pick up a Traxxas Slash, but Horizon Hobby had a sale for $129. $129 for this thing. So I figured, you know what, let's grab it. We'll make another video about the Slash next time, but we're gonna make a video about this because I want to share it with you guys. Okay, so we have the Arrma Fury, the Mega 550. So this thing is brushed. This is not brushless, not yet. So we will test run it as it is out the box. It's gonna be brushed basically. I will run a 2S LiPo battery in it because I do have one. Yes. But otherwise, we're gonna run it the way it is out the box, basically. So just to show you guys how it performs, how it handles, etc. Again, the way it is out the box. Just wanted to show you guys this vehicle because it was going for $129. I think the sale was only for like 2 or 3 days. I literally just caught it at the end. You know, but the truck, I believe, is still inexpensive. You're getting a ready-to-run truck for $200 or $220, I think it is, $200 or $220. But you're getting a battery, you're getting the charger. It's a nickel battery, but you are getting a battery. You are getting a charger for it. I'm pretty sure that they're gonna give you the 4 AA batteries with the remote. So honestly, this thing is a complete ready-to-run. You can literally buy it today. You don't have to worry about buying a charger and all other stuff. I mean, right away at least. You know, if you're just getting into the hobby, basically, right? But you can at least rip around for $200 and you have a hobby grade vehicle. You know, you can't beat that for $200. You know, I know everybody's going crazy about the tariffs and everything else, and I get it, you know, but there are inexpensive cars still that we can still enjoy, you know, at the end of the day. So let's do the unboxing. Let's check it out. So let me show you the box real quick. This is the Arrma Fury. They do come in, I believe, 2 to 3 different colors actually. So they have the blue, they have the red, and I believe I've seen a green also. As you see, I did pick up the blue. Show you guys how it looks in the box. So they give us the SLT2 remote. All right, so they do give us the starting guide. They actually give us some tools in the bag also. They do give us batteries. So just to show you guys the car. And I want to say what's up to Chris. If he's watching, I just want to say what's up to Chris. I met him at the hobby store the other day. Actually, while I was picking this one up, you know, him and I were, you know, just chopping it up basically about RC cars. We ended up discussing the Arrma Fury. Man, that thing looks pretty good. And I was like, honestly, bro, I'm like, it's $129 right now. He's like, what? I'm like, yeah, it's $129 right now. It comes with the battery, the charger, remote, the car, everything for $129. And he had a nitro car at the time, so I'm pretty sure he didn't have batteries yet, or maybe he did. You never know. But again, for a person, and I'm speaking in general, for a person who doesn't have a battery operated car yet and you're looking to get into the hobby, for 200 bucks, you can't beat it. Again, the price the way it is now. Obviously for the 130, it was a steal. It was a steal. So that's why myself and Chris, we had to pick him up that day. And we were lucky enough to pick him up right before the sale ended. All right, let's get this plastic off. All right, let's check out this truck. The truck looks really cool. So one of the questions I had asked, or one of the guys were asking, how big is this truck? And you know, I'm like, honestly, it's the size or similar size to like a Traxxas Slash. It's a pretty decent sized vehicle. It's a 10th scale, definitely a 10th scale. Very nice. I like the tires. Wow, I like the tires. Wow, that compound feels really good. So I love the detailing. Kind of reminds me of the Arrma Mojave. Again, for $129 for it to even have this detailing is pretty cool. Beautiful truck. And another thing to note, there's no clips in the front or in the rear. So there are clips, I believe just clips from underneath here. It's kind of similar to the Arrma Gorgon. All right, let's get this body off. There's like a pull tab on the inside to unlock the body. So just to show you guys, here are the tabs. Here are your tabs right here, front and for the rear. That's what locks into the chassis. It definitely puts me in the same mind frame as the Gorgon. This is similar to the Gorgon chassis, just lowered. So it's like an LCG chassis. You got your steering servo right here. This is what I was saying with the clips. So they don't pop out all the way, which is cool. So it pops out just enough just to release the body. So you have your brushed ESC right here, brushed 550 motor right here, transmission right here. Shocks are all plastic. The suspension feels pretty, you know, it feels decent. Not bad from out the box. It's got shock guards, front and rear. Check out this chassis. It is bottom fed. You know, you put the batteries in through the bottom. So this is the battery that they provide with the vehicle. It's a nickel battery. It's a 3300 milliamp, 7 cell, 8.4. It is an IC3 connector. So just be aware of that. It is an IC3. It's not an IC5. I don't know what it is. Bad luck or is it good luck? I don't know. I think it's bad luck, obviously. It's got to be bad luck, right? So I don't know if you guys seen the body, right? The body's red. Didn't I say the car was going to be blue? I was so shocked and amazed by the car and how it looks and all other stuff, whatever, because it is a good looking vehicle. Again, for $129, you can't beat it. Great looking vehicle. But then I'm like, hold on. Isn't it supposed to be blue? See, the little white tag shows you what color you bought. So I specifically wanted to buy the blue one. So I'm gonna have to hit up Horizon Hobby and let them know. You know, I wanted the blue one and you guys gave me a red one. So, all right. All right, guys, I think it's time to rip. What do you think? All right, let's go. Let's put some batteries in this thing and let's go. Okay, YouTube, let's check this thing out. This thing looks really good. Even with the red, looks really good. You know, again, like I said, I wanted the blue, but The red does look good. It's got the full fans in the rear. It's got the full extinguishers in the rear. All right, let's give this thing a rip. It's pretty tall grass, so doesn't move around too bad. Spin the tires at least? Oh yeah, okay. See how she handles in the dirt a little bit. All right, let's take this thing out to the street. Let's see what she does. All right, so I want to give you guys my final review on the Arrma Fury, the vehicle from out the box. It's a fun car. Again, like I said, if you're just getting into the hobby, if you like myself or people who have been in the hobby for a while, you're probably going to want to upgrade it brushless, most likely, right? It does handle pretty well, so it does have the potential to be a good short course truck. It needs a little work, like they all do from out the box, but not bad. Hopefully everybody enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoy your family, your friends, and whatever RC car you have. It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC. Rockside out.